Hey everybody, Joe Parter here. Yesterday worked on KYC, making sure that the post we're going to be pushing out on Medium was ready to go, making sure that all the website details are ready to go. Also did a good amount of work around partnerships, filling out some additional details for some partnerships we're working on as well. Today, a good amount of work has been around the KYC as always, which is really the theme for this week, and then also getting ready to launch the token metrics. We have a new page we're developing that's going to have all that content there as well. Thanks everybody, have an awesome day.
Hey there, Davers. Alec here again. It's Passover, last day. Today's the big holiday, so I'm just finishing up here at the office and going home. Today we finalized another MOU with a new drone partner. Very, very exciting. Super happy about that. We'll issue the press release soon and you guys know who we're talking about. Other than that, I'm just doing some logistics for the outbounds for the Taxi Alliance. I set up 2 calls for next week. And that's about it. Have a great weekend. Bye.
Hi everyone! Yesterday I made new roadmap for our site. Today I'll start new very important page for our project, DAV token sale. I'll make this page simple and clear, with a minimum of graphics. Also I'll make new graphics for DAV token sale. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.